So this is my dad's shop and he's kicking me out. So let's go get our stuff and get on out of here. I think he actually changed the locks here. And this is my brand newish DJ custom shop. Come on and let's take a look inside. Come on in, love to have you here. So welcome inside my new barn here. I'm very excited about this. So behind me used to be 2 rooms here. There used to be a room right here and a room right over here. I think what they were doing was growing weed. They were probably growing weed. But we since knocked out both of those rooms and we put the lumber over here. This is all of the lumber that we demoed those rooms and we saved the lumber so that I could build something else with it. It was really thoughtful of the guys who ever owned this property before me. They started insulating this building. They did this one corner for me. And they didn't do any of this, and they didn't do any of this over here. And I find that weird, but I know why. They were growing weed right here. But we're not gonna be doing that. We're not gonna be growing weed, so that's good. Over here, we have this beautiful, beautiful insulated door. I think this is a 10-foot door, so I'll be able to get some pretty decent sized projects in here. But that's not the only door in this building. Wait, there's more. So right here is a great big sliding door. You basically just unlatch it here and there. If you guys don't know anything about doors, and you just slide it out of the way. So this door here is 14 feet tall. No. This door is 12 feet tall here. So I can get like a freaking monster truck in here with no problems, dude, okay? Over here, I have like a little storage cabinet that I just been throwing like random tools in. So a couple big problems with this barn is that it doesn't have any insulation. That's number one. And we are in the heart of Michigan. As you could tell, there's snow outside and it is very cold. That's number one on my priority list, is to get insulation in the walls and in the ceiling. Another problem is that this place is not very sealed off at all. You might be able to tell, but there is daylight coming in through here, on the floor, pretty much every door in here right now. So that doesn't help holding heat as well. Same with the door here. There is quite a bit of daylight showing through here and even on the floor there. So I gotta work that door and make sure I can get everything to sit down and seal everything off. Another big problem is when I knocked down all of these walls, I had to kind of just throw wires and switches in random spots in the ceiling so they didn't just hang down. So up here, I have to use a hockey stick to control the lighting here. It's not a big deal. Everybody does it at some point in their lives, so whatever, dude. Whatever. So what are some of my dreams, hopes, and goals for this building? I would say that I want to do insulation right off the rip. I'm thinking about having a little like hangout area over here. For the walls, I want to do pole barn steel, insulate it in pole barn steel all the way around in white. Then I want to do a ceiling, great big nice ceiling in black. Dude, I want to do a black ceiling. Everybody does those cool looking hex lights. I don't think I want to do that just because it's like everybody does it, you know, everybody does that. So I want to do just like some regular LEDs, really brighten it up in here and make it so I'm not gonna have a stroke every time I come out here with the fluorescent bulbs. Like, I hate that, dude. So I want to get everything sealed up really nice. I want to do something with the floor, dude. What do you think I should do with the floor? Something cool. Oh, I was thinking about doing that Swiss Tracks flooring, and it's that rubber mat stuff. It would be kind of expensive to do this whole thing. Maybe they'll pay for it, and I can just install it or something like that. We'll see how well these YouTube videos do. Right over here, this is on the back wall of the shop. I was thinking, you know, some nice toolboxes right through here, and then obviously the main lighting right through here. This is where like the cars would sit and stuff like that for the most part, I think. Over in this corner here, I was thinking about, it would be really cool, I don't know how to use it, but a CNC table or a plasma cut table right freaking here. Or maybe we'll just put a pool table here. I don't know. Something cool, something cool. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. Ideally, I think that I want to put an overhead door here, just because the slider doors, they seem like they lose a lot of heat. No matter how much you try to seal them off, and plus they're always like a huge pain in the ass to like unlatch it and move it over that way or move it over that way or whatever way it goes. I don't know, that's far into the future, because I was thinking about putting another addition on the end of this barn at some point in my life. But yeah, beautiful place. Oh, by the way, vintage bicycles up here. I don't know if you guys saw those or not, but that's what I'm into now. I love those. Also, this is my 1983 Ford Box Body Mustang. We're gonna be making some videos here soon, or we're gonna sell the car. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, anyway, guys, I really appreciate you guys watching my video. I think this is gonna be like a huge turning point for my channel, as I have this barn where I can basically do whatever I want. And I don't have to worry about making a mess over here, or spilling something on the floor, or like, you know, I can just do anything and walk into the house, forget about it for 2 weeks, and come back out to it and not worry about the mess that I've made out here. So, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Some would say it's gonna be awesome. So make sure you hit the like button, you hit the subscribe button, and maybe throw down a little comment on what you think I should build this barn into. Should I grow weed? Should I grow mushrooms, or should I grow memories or a family, or what do you guys think I should do? Let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.